This is how to make my Cajun chicken stuffed cannelloni. It's creamy, cheesy, and so tasty. The leftovers freeze really well, and if you don't have these little pasta tubes, you can layer and make up the dish like a lasagna instead. Start by making your Cajun spice blend with sweet and smoked paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, dry parsley, oregano, and a little ground cumin and coriander seeds, and black pepper. Give your spice blend a quick mix and add a couple tablespoons of your spice blend to some chicken mince along with salt, fresh minced garlic, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Mix this through your chicken mince, making sure the spices are evenly distributed. Then fry your chicken mince in a hot pan with a little olive oil, trying to break up the chicken mince into smaller pieces as it cooks. When your chicken takes on a little colour, remove from the pan and set aside. To the same pan, fry some very finely diced mushrooms with butter, fresh minced garlic and dry parsley, and when your mushrooms have reduced, you can also remove them from the pan and set aside. Now we're going to make our Cajun spice roux. Fry diced peppers and sliced spring onions with a big knob of butter and add your plain flour. You need to cook your flour, stirring constantly until it smells toasty. When your flour is cooked, add your cold milk all at once and whisk. I promise it won't be lumpy. Then add more fresh garlic and your Cajun seasoning blend. I added it according to my taste, add as much or as little as you like. Then add cream cheese and allow it to melt through and cook into your sauce. When your Cajun sauce thickens, add some additional spring onion and freshly grated parmesan and taste for seasoning, adding extra salt if necessary. I didn't make quite enough Cajun sauce for this recipe and I felt lazy to make extra, but I've adjusted the quantities in the description so it will be enough for you. Set 1/3 of your Cajun sauce aside and add your cooked chicken and mushrooms to the remaining 2/3 in your pan, along with a good handful of fresh chopped parsley. To assemble your dish, spread a little of your reserved sauce in your dish and fill your pasta tubes with a chicken mixture. Spread some more of your Cajun sauce on top. As I said, I didn't make quite enough sauce for myself, so you should spread a little extra. Sprinkle with parmesan and add some mozzarella cheese, then just repeat the process for your second layer, finishing with a layer of mozzarella cheese and a final sprinkle of dry parsley. Cover and bake at 180°C for 45 minutes to 1 hour or until your pasta is cooked through. And that's all there is to it. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. If you did, please like, subscribe and click that notification bell for more. Thank you for watching.